Right now, AI is reshaping almost every job you've heard of and creating many you haven't. In this course, we'll look at how to choose subjects, streams, and careers that fit you. Stay relevant in an AI world and use AI as your super tool, not your replacement. If you feel torn between AI headlines, exam pressure, and everyone's opinions, you're not alone. Instead of random searching, this course becomes your clear signal. Structured guidance to connect your real interests with careers that are more future-proof. Think of AI as a very fast, very focused teammate. It's great at boring, repetitive tasks, spotting patterns in huge amounts of data, and doing calculations without distraction. You bring the empathy, context, and real creativity. You decide what's right or fair, and you build trust with people. Most future careers will combine both, human judgment plus AI tools. So AI mainly changes tasks inside jobs, instead of simply deleting whole jobs. Before you lock onto labels like doctor or engineer, first tune your internal compass. Ask yourself three things. What do you genuinely enjoy learning or doing, even with no reward? Those are your interests. What do you seem to pick up faster than others? Those are your strengths. And what kind of life matters most to you? Stability, impact, creativity, freedom. Those are your values. Don't chase a job title. Aim for a working style that fits this mix. Think of careers as running at three different speeds. Futuristic paths are fast, tech-heavy, and change quickly. They suit students who enjoy experimenting and constant upskilling. All-time gold paths are classic options with tough exams, but strong stability and status. Easy and subtle paths are more accessible, skill-based roles that grow steadily without extreme pressure. Now zoom out and picture the career world as four big continents. The builders create and maintain our systems. Engineers, architects, technicians, skilled trades. The healers and thinkers focus on people's bodies and minds, and on understanding our world. Doctors, psychologists, scientists, humanities experts. The strategists guide money, rules, and safety. Business leaders, finance professionals, lawyers, policymakers, defense and security roles. And the creators shape experiences and stories. Designers, media and content professionals, teachers, trainers, and hospitality experts. You'll explore each continent in detail soon. In this part of the course, we focus on the builders and innovators of the AI era. These are people who design smart cities, create intelligent software, fly drones for industry, or install solar panels on rooftops. Notice how it ranges from highly technical roles to very practical, hands-on work. Different strengths, same future-building impact. Some of you are natural healers and deep thinkers. You're drawn to understanding people, the mind, the body, or how life itself works. In the AI era, this doesn't just mean become a doctor. It can also mean decoding genes, studying behavior with data, or guiding the ethics of powerful technologies, all focused on real human well-being. Next come the leaders and strategists of the AI era. These are people who make high-impact decisions about money, laws, security, and digital growth. They might design fintech products, shape economic policy, or protect systems from cyber attacks. If you enjoy strategy, debate, negotiation, and taking responsibility, these modules will speak strongly to you. We also have the creators and connectors of the future. These are people who design apps and interfaces, craft stories and videos, shape learning platforms, and design travel or event experiences. Their work sits where creativity, technology, and people's emotions meet. In the AI era, they use smart tools, but human imagination still leads. Maybe you already know you dislike extreme competition or high-pressure jobs, and that's completely fine. A great life doesn't always mean top rank or building the next billion-dollar startup. Many careers are calm, stable, and still growing in the AI era. Throughout this course, I'll keep pointing out these easy and subtle options so you can match your comfort level, strengths, and lifestyle goals. Think of your future as carrying a high-tech backpack, not a single exam score. Inside it are four core tools: communication, speaking, writing, and listening, so others actually understand you. Critical thinking, questioning information, checking sources, and seeing the bigger picture. I literacy, knowing when and how to use AI as a helper, and where its limits are. Adaptability, learning new things quickly and updating yourself. These skills travel with you, no matter which stream or career you choose. Now imagine your career as a river. You start with Plan A, your preferred path. As you move forward, you notice your marks, your interests, and how the world is changing. That lets you gently turn into a related Plan B, or even a bold Plan C in new territory, maybe after learning a fresh digital skill. Changing direction isn't failure. Flexibility is a strength, and it helps you reach the destination that actually fits you. Treat this course like a map, not a school textbook. First, build a common base by watching the foundation module so you understand the AI landscape. Next, use the self-discovery tools to clarify your interests and strengths. Then, freely jump into the career streams that match you best, even if that's just 2 or 3. Finally, give yourself permission to skip what doesn't fit. Depth in the right areas beats covering everything. You don't have to know your final career today. You only need to be curious enough to explore. Take a breath, put the pressure aside for a moment, and let's start discovering which futures might fit you best.